viewers, in this video, you can retrieve your Samco login password by using the StockNote mobile app. To do so, open StockNote app and click on Login option available on top right side. Now, tap on Help option. Here, click on Forgot Password tab. Enter your Samco's client ID, PAN card number in capital letters, followed by registered email ID. Now, click on Submit. Your password has been reset successfully and you will receive new login password in your registered mail or message. Once you receive new password, you can reset using StockNote application. Thank you.